welcome back to another video. Today I'm just chilling at home. I just came back from a nice GameSpark hunt. Took my first GameSpark and now I'm back. We handed in the meat and everything, so I'm very excited about that. Stay tuned for some more videos on that coming very soon, in the works as we speak. But today I just wanted to make a quick video because this arrived and a white box, and it took a while to get here with the whole pandemic and everything. I know what's inside, so let me just unbox it so you guys can have a look, and then I'll tell you guys what it is and everything. But quite exciting. It's the first time someone's actually sent me like free stuff, so yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, how does this open? Bubble wrap. Sorry, my hands do look beat up as shit. We did butcher the GameSpark ourselves. We shot 3 eventually. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see me? I hope so. We shot 3 GameSpark eventually. Let me just stop playing with that. And we butchered all of them ourselves. Ooh. So first, oh, that's nice. That's cool. So let's, without, I don't know which one this is. This is the throw 300 meters. Does that mean I have to throw it? Anyway, this is the Olight M2R Pro Warrior. Great flashlight. Olight contacted me about just sending me a free sample to test, and I agreed to it because, I mean, who doesn't love a nice torch? And I always use these torches, be it with helping my dad fix the car or just using it as a general purpose everyday carry outside and at night when braaiing, especially when braaiing. Everyone from South Africa would know you always need a torch when braaiing outside. And so I always use a naked torch, especially with the hunting as well. And with the trip, with our big Limpopo River hunt trip just around the corner on Sunday, I'm glad I finally got the time to get this torch, because it'll be a nice new addition to my arsenal, my backpack I take with. With it, I got a conventional flashlight mount. Ooh, I tore it. Well, I tore the packaging. Look, who cares about packaging anyway? Free stuff. Okay, so I'm assuming, I don't know how this works. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna figure it out myself. And then with it I got a charger as well. Wow, this is cool. Is it a charger? Magnetic remote switch, low click sound. I think it's a charger. Looks like something with electronic-y. Oh, my hands are so stupid. By the way, when we went hunting GameSpark, it was -7 degrees Celsius in the mornings. Hey, tower wraps. -7 degrees Celsius. That's so cold. We didn't even have to put the carcasses in the freezer room because, these are tiny. Because it's so cold outside. I don't know what this is. It's so fancy. I feel this is what? Huh? Okay, I feel like I'll understand once I open this. So, here we go. Oh, that was false. So this says, congrats on your new Olight M2R Pro Warrior. Before first use, unscrew the tail cap and remove the yellow insulating film. So I'm going to read the instructions just because this is a very nice torch. I read the specs on it. I mean, 1800 lumens. That's a lot. And it's waterproof and virtually indestructible. Well, I'm gonna put it through this test. It's tests in this video, and so we'll see. I think I need some kind of new kind of degree to open this thing. Oh, it just clicks. Wow, that's easy. It just clicks. So before first use, unscrew and remove the yellow insulating film. That's quite easy. This is quite So remove. Please charge it fully before you turn it on. We'll be back in 5 minutes, folks. I need to charge it first. I've never geeked out so much about a torch. I've not charged it yet, but just look. This is magnetic. Oh, hey, that's very cool. I think this is to charge it, but there's apparently a magnetic charging cable, which is to like, that's how strong it is. It just holds the torch up like this. That's quite cool. I don't know what this is though. Still yet to figure this one out, but just wanted to show you guys this before I let it charge. I must figure out my life now. Wait, I removed this, right? So I have to remove that, and please charge it. Charge directly via the provided MCC magnetic charging cable. That's all instructions. That's all the instructions. That's the empty box. And here inside it says, "Thank you for being part of the Olight." I thought it was an inspirational quote because it was written in italics. Sorry, it's not. It just says thank you. But yeah, quite cool. Definitely keeping the packaging because I need that. This packaging, not so much. But I've got two tiny. Where was I? I was here. Maybe. How do I open this? Do I pull? Push. I pull. I tear. I don't tear. Not tear. Okay, that was easy. Okay, so that's the charging cable. That's what that is. There's more inside here. Okay. That's about it. So that's that I can throw away. Let's get my life in order. So this is what you get when you buy the this is what you get when you buy the M2R Warrior Pro, or Pro Warrior, whatever. You get whatever thingy-bob this is. I'll tell you guys now. You get 2 tie-ups, the box, book, the nice torch, the moral, so I'm not allowed to turn it on until after it's charged. A little nice holster for your belt. I'm definitely using that. And then a holder for the torch. I'm guessing the torch goes in here, and then you put this on somewhere. Then a little, I think this is called a lanyard or whatever to put on the torch. And then this is the magnetic charging cable. It just attaches like so, and then you plug this in. So don't want to drop it. It's virtually indestructible, so I can actually do that. But yeah, let's get it charged. Get out what this is. This is for attaching it to a rifle or to a scope or something with the rail. You attach it onto the rail, and then it clips on here, I think. I might be very wrong, but that is kind of what I gathered from reading now. I'm going to definitely have to YouTube this, but this is very cool. I am very excited. Thanks Olight for sending me this very, very lacquer torch. I'm going to definitely be using it. I'm going to go into the part of the video where I start testing everything out, from waterproofness to brightness. I'm going to be trying to spot the Nyala at night from very far away. And I have another video I'm doing tonight involving this weekend's Games Back Hunt. So I'm going to be testing it there. Keep it watch. I'm going to put the link down below to where you can buy all this flashlight and all the other products. They have some very great products. They just launched the South African site, which is great. So for all you South African guys wanting to get yourself a nice flashlight, I know you guys want one. The link's down below. You guys can just click on it. It will give you a range of all their products. I'm going to now test everything out, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.
Ja, je moet vanaf nemen.
Ja, ik neem klaar, jongen.
De video.
Was hij? Dem Olight torch. Helping us out. Is op turbo mode, Jan. Het je hem double click om? Nee, je double click als hele knoppie. En dan is op turbo.
Klikken komt weer.
Nee, je moet hem double click, dus op elkaar. Oké, dan is hij nou. Maar je kan het mooi zien. Je maar zo'n mooie olifant, ja? Mooi tanden. Jan with the Olight torch helping us out. Thanks Olight for sending it to me. We did an unboxing earlier in the video. Now we are filming some elephants.
Testing the merge.
It's on turbo mode at the moment, 1800 lumens. Totally wild elephant.
This is a quality torch.
Okay guys, so I am back. We have finally made it back from our Limpopo River hunting trip. It was an amazing hunting trip. Yeah, probably one of the best I've ever had. And I got a chance to finally test this M2R Pro Warrior Olight torch out properly. And as you guys could see earlier in the video, we spotted a lot of elephants with it. I used it for fishing, even though we didn't catch anything, so I didn't really film a lot with it. But this thing was nice for spotting elephants, especially because they're very thick brush and you don't want to get too close. So the 300 meter throw on this was more than enough power to get them in. We also used it to spot owls and bush babies across the river, which was great. It was great. So I absolutely adore this torch. I've never geeked out as much about a torch at all in my life. So this is the first time I've actually owned a proper one, and I really like it. Yeah, it has a bunch of great functions. Everyone just kept taking my torch to go spot elephants and stuff at camp and do other things, because I was the only one who had a proper torch there. And so yeah, I really would advise this torch. It's a really nice torch. In terms of the waterproofness, I do have a little clip that I'll show now of me testing it. There, as you guys can see, it is, if I remember correctly, it's like IPXB or something. It's something, I don't know the code, whatever the codes mean. It's submersible for 2 meters, up to 2 meters for about 30 minutes, which is way more than I would ever need for a torch. I mean, with the fishing and everything, it's not as if you're just gonna on purpose drop it into the water, maybe just dunk it or something. But yeah, it is just for that added safety. So the waterproofness is really nice. And yeah, overall, I like it. It's quite compact, very nice. Thanks Olight for sending it to me. If you guys want to get yourself either this one or a bunch of the other models they have, these are all tactical everyday carry torches. I have a link down below which you guys can click on to go get a look at their product line. All the South African guys, they have a market or a shop in South Africa now, and I'm not sure about the other countries at the moment. But yeah, the links down in the description if you want to get one like this or some of the other models. I would definitely advise it, and you would not regret owning one of these. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. Thanks to Olight once again for sending me this torch. Definitely going to use it a lot in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.